Which among the following is the reason for the rejection of grafted kidney? When a kidney is transplanted from one individual to another, the immune system of the recipient may recognize the transplanted organ as a foreign body, leading to its rejection. So, this process is primarily mediated by the cell, that is the T cells or T lymphocytes. So, this is called the cell mediated immune response, which involves the T cells. And these T cells recognize the transplanted organ as non-self due to the differences in the major histocompatibility complex, that is MHC, and this trigger an immune response that can result in the rejection of the graft. So the answer is option C, cell mediated immune response. Whereas innate immune response, it is the first line defense with non-specific responses like phagocytosis, and it does not specifically target transplanted organs. Option B, humoral immune response. Humoral immune response involves the B cells producing antibodies, though it is involved in the rejection of an organ. The primary mechanism for kidney graft rejection is cell mediated. So option B is incorrect. Option D, passive immune response. This involves a transfer of antibodies or immune cells from another individual. So this is not the typical cause of rejection of graft kidney. So option D is also incorrect. The answer is option C.